Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion. Notion is an incredibly versatile workspace, perfect for managing everything from your personal notes to complex team projects. Think of it as an all-in-one tool where you can write, plan, and organize. It brings together documents, wikis, and project management into one seamless application, helping you stay organized and productive. We will cover the basics to get you started quickly and efficiently. Let's dive into building your first pages. Begin by simply clicking the plus icon to create a new page, then give it a descriptive title. Notion offers hundreds of free templates for various uses, from personal planners to team roadmaps, which can save you a lot of time. You can easily add different types of content using blocks, such as text, headings, images, and even embedded files, making your pages rich and interactive. This modular approach allows for incredible flexibility. Now let's explore one of Notion's most powerful features: databases. Databases allow you to organize structured information like tasks, projects, or content calendars in a highly flexible way. You can create various views such as tables, Kanban boards, calendars, or galleries to visualize your data exactly how you need it. Adding properties like tags, dates, or people to your database items helps you categorize and filter information efficiently, providing a robust system for any workflow. To truly boost your productivity with Notion, embrace a few key practices. Learning common keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow, saving you precious seconds on every action. Notion is also fantastic for collaboration. You can easily share pages with team members, assign tasks, and leave comments. Plus, with its excellent mobile applications, your workspace is always accessible, whether you are on a desktop, tablet, or phone, ensuring you stay connected and productive anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.